Want to make your text small in Discord? There's a simple hidden trick using symbols that works instantly, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want your Discord messages to appear smaller or more subtle, Discord has a markdown style trick that not many people know about. To make small text in Discord, type a dash, followed by a hashtag, then add your text. That's dash, hashtag, space, and then your message. For example, type dash hashtag, space hello, and press enter. Your message will now appear smaller and cleaner compared to normal text. This method works in servers direct messages, group chats, and it works on both PC and mobile with the latest Discord updates. Keep in mind, this only changes the message style, not your overall Discord settings, and you can use it as many times as you want in the same chat. And that's how to make text small in Discord using the dash hash method. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Discord tips, and comment dash hash so I know it worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.